Oh, Ella, can I see your smiles? Very nice. Can you say Grandma? No, that's hard. Can you say Tina? Tina. Can you say hi, Tina? How about just another Tina?
No.
No?
Stand.
Yeah. Do you want to show Grandma Tina how you get so mad? How do you get so mad? You can't? That's right. So mad. Oh. How do you giggle? How do you giggle? You're still just getting mad. What happens when the baby's crying? What about when the baby's giggling? Oh, well now you're just crying. That's not fun. Okay, can you say Tina one more time? Tina?
Tina.
Yeah, can you blow Grandma Tina a kiss? Very nice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.